You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Unice Hair. This is a beautiful glueless wig, so if you're into glueless wigs, you're gonna want to stick around for this install. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 glueless Yaki straight wig, and 100% glueless it is. 7x5, you have a maximum parting space.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you.
That's looking much better. As I'm gonna leave it glueless, I'm just gonna remove some of this extra lace right here.
Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to
It doesn't get any easier than this, right guys? Like 100% beginner friendly. You just take it out of the box, put her on, and we love that.
we dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just
Ooh, it's looking so good. Right? Like you can't tell me that's not my hair.
trip with you. Leaning on fire. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you. Leaning on fire. Leave us till tomorrow.
That's how easy it is, guys. I did this styling in like 5 minutes. You can do it too at home, and it's giving really natural. This is what my hair would look like if I didn't damage it and if I actually took care of it. But good thing we have wigs, right? We have wigs, so I don't have to worry about that. It is absolutely beautiful though. It's a really natural density. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off my head. If you want to adjust it to fit a little bit more snug, you just adjust the band and make the wig tighter and fit more snug on your head. I like mine to fit tight, but not too tight. Like, don't squish my brain cells. C-curve ear tab, so it fits flush on your head, so it's not looking like wiggy and like big and like poofy here. This is in the 24-inch, and as I said, it's a Yaki straight. It also has bye-bye knots, so bleach knots, pre-plucked. Everything is ready for you. Pre-cut lace. All you have to do is take it out of the package and put her on. Now, I like this wig a lot. I love how it feels. It feels very soft. Even though it's a Yaki straight, it feels very soft. My hands run through it like butter. I did hit it with the flat iron and it did get a little silkier, but of course this hair texture is a coarse texture. It is supposed to mimic 4C hair. with a silk press. Just the right amount of hair, and like I said, it feels very soft, so you definitely want to run your hands through it over and over. They did a good job of the natural hairline. I like how that's looking and looks very believable. And with that being said, I'm happy with it. The back, it's looking nice and beautiful, and there's no complaints. Definitely check them out, guys. I'm gonna link this wig in the description box for you. If you want a beginner friendly wig, or you know, a wig that you don't have to do too much, it still looks natural, check it out. It's gonna be linked in the description box. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.